every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 250 grams of pasta. I'm using tagliatelle, 1 bunch of asparagus, washed, trimmed, and cut into about 2.5 centimeter pieces, 1 large carrot, peeled and grated, 1 large zucchini, trimmed and cut into half-moon pieces, 150 grams of frozen peas, thawed, 5 shallots, sliced, 3 cloves of garlic, sliced as well, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1.5 cups of vegetable stock, half a cup of white wine, zest and juice of 1 small lemon, 20 grams of freshly grated parmesan, 6 grams of parsley chopped, 3 grams of fresh thyme chopped as well, and salt and pepper. I started by filling a large pot with water which is coming to a boil, and while that's happening, I'm going to start on the sauce. I will preheat a large skillet with high sides over medium-high heat, then add the olive oil and let it get hot. I'll then add the carrots, zucchini, asparagus, shallots and garlic, season everything with salt and pepper and cook for 7 minutes or until the veggies begin to soften. Now I'll sprinkle the flour over the veggies and cook for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. In goes the wine for 1 minute and the vegetable stock for 8 minutes. At this point, I'm going to add the pasta to the boiling water and cook to al dente, reserving half a cup of the starchy cooking water in the very end. Returning back to the sauce, I will pretty much add everything that's left. That's the peas, thyme, parsley, lemon juice and zest, parmesan, reserved starchy cooking water, and toss it all with the pasta. And that's it. Today will be the real kitchen behind me because this has just finished steaming, and I feel like now it will be the perfect temperature and I just really didn't want to tidy, so excuse that. But it is my real kitchen in real time. Oh my god, the dinner will be great. This is always the hardest part with such pasta, to collect, a modest bite. It's lemony, but it's like, the perfect amount. Oh wow, I was looking forward to my dinner so much. And this, believe it or not, is vegan. So I haven't shared the news. I'm not really sure which episode this is. I was so excited to try this dish that I'm not sure whether this is too late or what, but anyways, little quick announcement. I've decided to make an experiment and go vegan for a year or so and see how that goes. I won't go into details of why I decided to do that, but for some time you will see I wanted to say a lot, but all the recipes of Laura's that are actually vegan. So I'm not sure if I'm starting with this one, but this one is. And, I feel like I've perfected the queen of lemon, measurements. She always uses she says whole lemon, half of the lemon. Lemons are different, right? So now I started just kind of not even eyeballing. I take that 1 small lemon is 3 tablespoons of, lemon juice. And it's perfect for this amount. I will go and enjoy my dinner now. If you like veggies, this is a bomb of them. I might have food and whatever else on my face because I'm so ready to have some quality time with this plate. I cannot describe it to you. This is how Laura's end dish looks like. This is mine. I didn't use pappardelle just because I couldn't really find it, without the egg. Usually such kinds of pastas are with egg. So tagliatelle it is. And what's better, it's whole wheat, so it's even healthier. My god, this is a healthy dish. If you want to try this dish yourself, check the description box down below. The written recipe will be in there in both, okay, it's not American. What was it called? Imperial and the metric systems, because I am using metric system myself and I'm using our Queen Laura's recipes. Just, what's the word? It's so hard to concentrate, my god, wait, what did I want to say? I wanted to say, that everyone knows we love Laura. Her recipes are awesome, but they're in the imperial system, which I'm converting into metric. Okay, as I'm talking nonsense, I will be running away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun and helpful. If you try this out yourself, let me know. Did you like it? And I will see you soon. Bye!